Max, I want to see you play Bulldozer. Because Bulldozer rules. Max, I never know what's next. He's got his bag tied. You've got your bag tie and you're being sweet. You've got your bag tie and you're being sweet. Oh, you're being long too, I see. Let's make you even longer. Cleo's like, you know what? Fucking get out of the way. That's what Cleo's like. I want to eat finally that he's engaged doing something else. Where's your bag tie? Where is your bag tie right now? All right, Fuzz. That's the way you want it. You want me to put it in the box? I'll put you in the box. What's happening? I need an explanation. Kitten, I need an explanation. Your foot is on my hand. Meow. What's going on? What's happening? You're pretty fuzzy, and you're not doing anything because you're sweet. Look. Look at this. You know what? I think it's the best kitten in the world. I think you're the best kitten. Would you wear yourself out? You didn't do the wheelbarrow for the people. Never gonna get that. Meow! I cleaned out your bowling alley. And I thought you'd do it. You did the hell out of it seconds before I hit record. Is it because it took a full 5 seconds to be ready? Is that why? I hope you bite me. I hope you bite it right off. Bite my fingers. I don't care if I pull back a stump. You know why? Because you're so fuzzy-wuzzy. See? All right, Max. Have it your way, buddy. Have it your way, pal. We'll do it just the way you wanna. It's a kitty intervention. Is it something I can claw? Is it something I can eat? Is it the enemy? Is it a fucking mouse? I'll tell you what it is. Max, if you bite my finger, it's completely fine. Max, I want you to put a hole in it, Max. Look at that thing. You need your claws trimmed. You look like a little gopher. Get out of here. You don't want to eat Dad for real? Come on. Oh, it's all right, buddy. I understand being sweet. A little snout. You're an alien. Let's zoom in on it. Psst, psst, psst. You're hard to film because you're black. What happened? What is it, frozen face, huh? Frankenstein? Where's your sister? Oh, being a vulture over the city. Ugh. Max. There's nothing in the hole I've left. You're cute anyways. All right. I am the night. She's playing vulture over the city, judging. Whenever you touch it, it makes noise. Hi, Frankenstein. What's the good word out on the city tonight? Aw. Are you pulling up stakes? Come on, play with Dad. Play with Dad. Play with Dad. You're not having it. You know why you're not having it? Because you're an alien. Max. Say it ain't so, Max. Oh. Oh, yeah. Unsteady cam. You're both fuzzy. Cleo, it's gonna be all right. I mean, it's okay. Meow. Are you comfy, Max? You relaxing? Did you get some out of your system? Alien space baby. Alien space baby to space. I have them where I want them. I'm a vulture over the city.